Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Orrin Payne. I'm a salesman here at Findlay Toyota Flagstaff. Hey, real quick, just want to go over our Toyota Care, our complimentary service plan that we have for our new Toyota buyers. So, how that's going to work, your first 2 years or 25,000 miles, maintenance is going to be on the house, complimentary from Toyota. So, you're going to get a maintenance message at 5,000 miles telling you to bring it in for service. That's when we're going to take care of your first tire rotation. We're going to do a multi point inspection and inspect those fluids, make sure everything's where they need to be. And then at 10,000 miles, that's when you get your first oil change. And then we'll also do that tire rotation again, multi-point inspection, and inspect those fluids. And then again at 15, 20, 25. Also on that complimentary Toyota Care is going to be our 2-year unlimited mile roadside assistance. So with that, hey, we tow, we winch, we come and bring you fuel, okay, lockout protection, battery jump, and tire work. Okay, guys. So hey, our Toyota Care is awesome. We love to put you in a brand new Toyota. Come down and see us today so we can take care of you guys. Thank you so much from Findlay Toyota.